What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a Microsoft Teams meeting recording. Let's get to the video. Alright, and as you can see now, I'm in a video call. Now what I want to do now is I want to record this video call. Let's say I'm on a video call with someone and I would like to record the meeting. I think it should be available for my account. Let me check. Okay, it's currently not available for my account. I think it's because I don't have the full access for Microsoft Teams. But if you do have the full access for Microsoft Teams, you would see up here at more, you would see a setting here saying screen record. I'll put a screenshot somewhere on the screen on how it should look. Once, let's say the meeting is already done, you're going to stop the recording. I'm going to put another screenshot somewhere around on the screen. So all you got to do is get the full access to Microsoft Teams, and then you're going to click screen record in the more options, and then you're going to go ahead and stop it whenever the meeting is done. And then you're going to head over inside of the chat here, and you're going to go ahead and download the recording that you gathered from the meeting, and then it's going to be saved on your computer. Now that was straightforward. Once again guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.